Hello again, Poston peeps. I'm now going to go over your math choices for today. It is Wednesday, April 29th, and it is day 28 of your choice board activities. Okay, choice number 1. Your friend doesn't understand how to tell time because they don't know what the hands on the clock mean. Write them a letter explaining the difference between the hands on the clock. Okay, I have clipped a YouTube video you can go and look at to remember how to tell time to the hour, which is what we learned before school got out. Telling time to the hour, if you type that in your YouTube browser, there will several different videos will come up. This is a really good one. It looks like this, but you could use other ones if you'd like to as well. Okay, I wrote my letter here, and that's what you're going to do as well. Dear Miss Mariah, I wanted to explain to you how to use an analog clock. The long hand on the clock represents the minutes. The short hand represents the hour. When the long hand is on the 12, it means it's a new hour. We call it o'clock. Whatever number the short hand is pointing to is the hour. So if the short hand is on the 4 and the long hand is on the 12, it's 4 o'clock. Hope this helps you tell time. Your friend, Miss Poston. Boys and girls, if you can write a letter to someone explaining them how to tell time, that means that you really understand how to as well. Okay, so that's your first choice. Choice number 2. Give evidence. Remember, evidence means proof. Give reasons why. To a friend who has 4 10s and 5 1s, that you have a greater amount with a number of your choice. Okay, I have listed out what it looks like, 4 10s and 5 1s. Boys and girls, just in case you forgot, we count these by 10. These are longs, 10, 20, 30, 40. And my cubes count by 1, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Okay, so your number that you're working with is 45. You get to choose one that is larger and give evidence of why it is larger. I chose the number 51, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51. And I said I have a larger number because I have one more group of 10s. Look at how many 10s I have compared to this. I can look right here. They only have 4 groups of 10 and I have 5. That automatically makes my number larger. Okay, so you have to give evidence of why your number would be larger than this choice over here. Okay, choice number 3. Create a poster on a regular size of paper, sheet of paper, to show at least 3 items in your house that are shorter than your foot, longer than your foot, the same size as your foot. And I've created one right here. I said, what is shorter than my foot? A fork. What is longer than my foot? A baking pan. What is the same size as my foot? Large pair of scissors, because you know Miss Poston has a small foot. Okay, so you get to be an explorer and find things that are shorter, longer, and the same size as your foot and make a little poster. Okay, and choice number 4, draw a picture to show 42 in 3 different ways. Now, I chose a different number because I want you to show me 42. I've given you an example over here. My number is 40. I've chosen to draw it out with coins. So I have 3 dimes, which is 30 cents, plus 2 nickels, which is 10 cents. So I have 40 cents. Okay, 30, 35, 40. You can do tally marks or you could draw pictures. Those are just some examples of ways you could draw out your number 42. Remember, you have 42, okay? And your last choice, as always, is your digital choice. You can go to Freckle and work in the math section or the Khan Academy. Okay, guys, enjoy your math time today. I look forward to seeing your work.